Ukhrul District Hakasang Regasang Shongza unlocking Ukhrul we azingli humbung rishong tang shongfu shingling hangphangà. Manipur kapumpa wuivang budget ngatei semkhavai kapoli President na hangphangà kankhana details semkhavai stakeholders psycho-relate kathonghaira. One Northeast Thansarele Akardalale Makok Mida Northeastern States Kazàkahaili Kasathaira. Halelo Tangkhul Express Pvt Ringphawon Zimik in a Pamidale Paobing Maisaina Nganangrumsa. Ukhrul District Hakasang Regasang Shongza Semda unlocking Ukhrul with Pekar Khawung Aya Ukhrul Deputy Commissioner Ashistasna SDO Tingringam Mauli Soda Shongfu Renovate Kasar Project hangphangà Hangda Kaleji Humpung Rishong Tangwi Shongfu Shingling Project Unlocking Ukhrul we Azingli hangphangà Unlocking Ukhrul Deputy Commissioner na hangphangà Ningrin Matalak Kahai Development Initiative na Chui Alungli Infrastructure Matailak ena Rural Apamwi Shongfu Kilometers Shakatumkada MGNRGA Scheme we Azingli Matasang Semkhavai Sada Kalena da Hanga Angaran ange chili yari mathalak aina shorkar TC Ashistas na ringapha Shokvao Rural Shongfu Zachilak Kahai Layer Itum Kika Saplungra da Kangaran hi Kwikharana Kachi Hangsanga. Ukhruli 285 kilometers wuivang semkhavai Lehaira Hili Chungmei Khawai Jihandale Kala hi Ukhruli Christmas gift ngasara da TC Jina Shoka. Unlocking Ukhrul model hi Ninggajang Ningrin Kaleji Kajangkat Ungshung Semkhavai Kasana hi Yariwi Pangshabli Yariwi Kashab Yariwi Kamakunli Shitsangda Sada Kalena da DC Jina Hangsanga Ara Itumna Easter gift wuivang Ngaranda Kaleji la Hangda Ngalei Kamin Shokkapai Maningaka Shokkazar Apam Khawung Village Authority li hanghaira Chui data geotech Amazangda SDOs li semkhavai DC na hanghaira Rimui thui da itumna darga kasaji khawung kala sakabai apong khalai theikhwira kala kha akhana sakhui kabai hakasang regasang khawai ningrin haiki kachina jiwi athishuda sakabai semkhavai shongza yekshoki kachiya ningrin ji ungshung saki kachi programs schemes maningakha convergence phakhuigi kachina da hangjitheya Hi Kataili Mushurang Kachi model na Kahili Sapaira da Shisanga da Ashistas na hanga. Angran Angye Jili Zulfi Shah Project Officer DRDA Ukhrul Humbung Village Authority Secretary YL Ayung Rashong Tangwi Chairman Kala Executive Ping Wazanga. Manipur Kapumpam wuivang budget ngatei semkhavai kapo kapit mikasangli President Draupadi Murmu na hangphangà Manipur Hills areas wuivang independent kala separate budget kapo mukup makailak kahai representation taràkha tarikthra thang President ni mikasangna representation ji income tax li Principal Chief Commissioner Sakasa IRS K Timothy Zimik na mikasangna chiling hangphangà da President wi office na concerned authorities departments li khangayi phaikar khawung hangphangà President with Secretariat na Secretary to the Government of India, Department of Economic Affairs li khangayi yang sangran yang semkhavai chizakami ajahon tarik thrada chishadwi chithiwi copy office memorandums tarik magada thuruk thang Ministry of Finance Department of Economic Affairs Budget Division na Department of Expenditure kala Ministry of Home Affairs li khami chithi chila chithei haira Manipur with financial angaret kapungshong separate budget kala Manipur state with governance pattern li suggestions khami maramli Presidents of India na fact-finding kala enquiries wi Shongbongza hangphangà kachi Zimik na stakeholder psycho-relate Shokvao mishoka. Haugupok Shongfu semkhavai khangarar waki kachi kasang khalei fiya chithada sada itumna hangda khalei jili nganintit khawai kala jili katom khawai itum ngarar phulungra kachi Zimik na hangsanga itumili solid documents psycho-leirana Shongjon evidences kala taràkha zingkum matili alungli hill areas kala Imphal Tampagwi budget allocation psycho-relate khangasun materials itumili leirana kachi Zimik na hanga Funds allocate salaga divert semkhavai maningakha kupungpam wuivang project sanction milaga implement makasa hikatathawi documents material psychora itumili leplungra da Zimik na kathonghaira kha unverified documents mamialu unsolicited comments mamialu kachi hangsanga Stakeholders Psychorana Corporate Sada or Sangarum Kavai, color details being Chi Mingorok Kavai, Zimik na Mahothaira. Verified details Chi petitioner Gacha, Zimik Maningaka elected representatives color UNC Li Mikavai Hanga, Chitaka concerned authorities na Kankhana evidences Kapotharan, Atamazangla, Misangkhavai, Itumili, Ngaranping, Lesa Kavai, Saki Kachina, the Zimik na Hangsanga. Petition Maram Chi wuivang Indian Shokar, DEA Secretary directly semkhavai President with Secretariat na petitionerly hangphangà hangda claimaram hi khangasun darga kasa details pingji email ID ktzimik@gmail.com kala WhatsApp number na 9831399775 maningaka postal address K Timothy Zimik IRS retired Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax Government of India, Pomai Colony, Kairan Road, Lane number 1, Imphal East District, Imphal, Manipur, 795010 li मीवा खवाई हंगहाइरा।
यार ऐसा क्या है इसमें जो हमारे सीमेंट में नहीं?
इसमें माइक्रोफाइबर है।
माइक्रोफाइबर यानी
जो दीवारों को रखे अंदर से मजबूत।
हमारे सीमेंट में नहीं है।
पूरे देश के किसी सीमेंट में नहीं है।
सालों की रिसर्च और सबसे आधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी से बनी है ड्यूरागार्ड माइक्रोफाइबर सीमेंट, जिसकी पेटेंटेड फाइबर युक्त टेक्नोलॉजी दे आपके घर को सालों की जबरदस्त पकड़। ड्यूरागार्ड, सीधी बात है, ड्यूरागार्ड खास है।
One Northeast Thansa Rally Aya Akardalale Makok Mida, Northeastern states with political Kathanaping, social activists Kala Rijum Nauping, Wazanghaira, Rally J Northeastern states Kokasakavai Kala Northeastly Satata Kale, Maramli, Migan Sangasakavai, Hakkasang Regasan Culture, Preservation Kala Political Corporation Wuivang Runkamina Dahanga. Manipur Speaker Kala Minister Sakasa Irembam Hemochandra la rally jili wazanga. Kokasakavai ningrin aina kangran rally jili yarina lungsanglak aina sharakukhuihaira ningyang khawung Shokvao. One Northeast rally chiwi aina kokakasa matang kasatwara kuchi shitkasang Shokar. Meghalaya Chief Ministers Conrad K. Sangmana Khamatili India with socio-economic cultural landscape kasemle Northeastern states na Shokvao later claim maramli kasatsanga. Tripura with Maharaj Bradyot Manikya Khamatili Kapong Development Regional Identity Kala Youth Empowerment Le Khamataiya Sada Khawai Kasatsanga Rally Chili Speeches Khangasun Kala Cultural Performance Sang the Northeast Apom with diverse heritage Chitehaira Infrastructure Wartamrin Healthcare Kala Lansinrin Hakkasangle Northeast State Ping Mathamai Ngashikta Sakhawai Chingri Kahai Akha Khangasa Kala Political Stability Lake Hawaii Kathana Pingna Kasatsanghaira Agartala Airport Le I Hemochandra Nakahang Thansa Rally Katha Angran Angyehi Northeastern States with Kokakasa Akon Chiteya Apong Ngasaya Kala Yang Sangran Maram Ngate the Kalaya Soda Policy Assembly Regional Representation Lake Hawaii Northeast with Khangavao Kon Apam Ngasaya Gachihanga Apom Hili Lake Haya Khuirak Hawaii Northeastern States Ping Kokakasa Dargasaya Gachi Kasatsanga Mokok me being Nagahang, Rally Regional Networks Maling May Kawai, Cultural Exchange Kotom Kami, Kala Development Policies Li Maya Khangrok Lake Kawai Kasana, One Northeast Thansa Rally Chile Kazang Bingna, Regional Unity Kotomra, Northeastern States Hakasang Regasang Ne, Kotomra Kachi Twingashit Kwida Kupsanghaira. Northeast Para Sports Meet ka khane aya hapokhaira tarik mukada chiko aina tangda saki da khale ngariaw ngahanchi Indira Gandhi Athletics Stadiums Saruk Sajai Guwahati li rungmi dale angran angye chili Northeastern States wi para athletes Shashini Shikha jangra dale Manipur Waina Chief D Mission Social Activist Dr. Kiran Yendrambamle Manipur Para Olympic Association with President Khangjan Birendra Singh Kala GA Anjan Sharma Ngusotadale Manipur Waina Mitharada Chiko Vaya Para Athletes Shini Officials Phanga Changdale Chief D Mission Dr. Kiran Yendrambam na Kahang National Chan Rally Kahab Khalay air tickets aman hen mai khar ka hai kala athumli sponsorship ka kutom khawad wuivang para athlete ping Guwahati khawali ka sak samphanga da hangdale airfare yangmi khawai airlines li Ministry of Civil Aviation na hanghai lala air tickets aman saklak hauda khangareu naw pingwi ning ka hagli sagzamang maningla athumi khangaran lila sajhawa da hanga Dr. Kiran na kahang President's Rule atam lila kharam khung khawawi ka chot leidale kha arihonwi airfare aman hi saka kahap ngasahaira da hangdale Manipur na national kala international levels li ngariaw ngahan mathada chadale India wi sport hub sada majut semkhavai kha athletes pingwiwang kathem phongkashokli logistical kahap na khammi haya kha ka khanangwa ngasara da Dr. Kiran hangsanghaira khare Northeast Para Sports Meet Manipur wi sports person tharada akha jangda gold phanga silver phanga bronze khani da mohor tharada khani semkhavai Achukumi contingent na khare wili matha maisa khawai hotnad leya da Dr. Kiran hanga Manipur President's Rule ka hai maramle Vision Foundation Manipur na ningka kharik phongshokhaira Vision Foundation Manipur hi Khurai Imphal East li khalai civil society organization akhana haguphokle President's Rule hina chingri khawai kala administrative accountability rakhawai apong sara kachi sisanga da President Rules ka hai hi otchokra kachi Vision Foundation Manipur na jihanda leisaya da hanga Kha musungkhuira da jahan kasa kachangkhat mushok thuwa da foundation china phongshokhaira internally displaced person ping chot changda leilakha sangai festival mayonhaira tutak kakhuilila foundation china makhamya phongshokhaira relief livelihood kakatom maningla tourism angaran angye wuivang fund khuithui ka haije mamusung mana political li mathai khamina da foundation china hanga phanichi zingkum tharau ga thale wasanaw si gaja sacha da khlai community ping wuivang jodla phaning khami chithaira kalami kumowi ka sagle matai maida state maika khawai ka sali administration na khamataiya sahawa ka chi ka phaning malai samara da foundation china hanga festival programs kala incentive with reported expenditures lupa 15 crore na da ka hang maramle foundation china khanghan sahaira taxpayers pingwi gachot chithaida relief rehabilitations kala kankhana services we fund shikajin tharja aina kasale migyan changkhawai administration nepo haira ITP pingli mushun aina sami khawai sajal ka high communities li ngasan khawai kala security operations atamle ngakmi khawai po haira state li tengi cases 200% mataika ka haili ningka kharik phongshok da yari we health infrastructure surveillance kala preventive measures li khamataiya sada khuimi khawai po haira Vision Foundation na President of India kala Manipur Governor li ngakawda President's Rules chi musung ka khui phaikar ka khui li mupung phakhang sak khawai ngakaw haira chingri ka hai ITB pingwi mushun socio-economic angret matha ka sang kala gazat control ka sa hina mupung ka pha thekhui khawai khamataiya muchut ngasara kachi Vision Foundation Manipur na hang haira Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem we Chairman we Atam Matarang lakha kala notice Mirana Mamila Shokvao Socialist Students Unions of Manipur SSUM na makhamya phongshokhaira SSUM na kahang Chairman li mushok sakrang lakha kachang kuthumi notice Mirana Bosem kashok gazangli ningkharik da SSUM na kahang Wartamrin sector le khamataiya kasa autonomous institutions chi makhangi administrative titak aina mawai pai mana kala schools director of education na Bosem chairman charge khuida khalewe khangi makhangi le ngahanda otpam khani ka khuichina administrative accountability le sajabaya gchi SSUM na hanghaira deputy director Kichandra le Bosem Secretary in charge kahai aina education system le instability le hawa kachila SSUM na hangda haimi kahai shongpongza shur semkhavai kala tharja shakhawai authorities le pohaira Protest kasali nationally sajag high maramli MCPCR na ning ka kharik Shokvao national being protesters lathi charge li sagaz vital body parts li assault kasa kala tear gas ka kabli shinaw kai ka fain saga high Shokvao da bukhau ochot maramli commission china ning ka kharik Shokvao ochot pingji child protection laws kala international child rights standards le mutung makan ka haina da MCPCR na hanga security forces kala administrative authorities le urgent advisory mi da MCPCR chairperson Kaisam Pratip Kumar na agency psychorally national pingwi mushun phaning khawai hanghaira Juvenile Justice Act 2015 kala UN Convention on the Rights of the Child UNCRC na minor pingle violence harsh restraint maninga kha coercive action kapar mamaya mana da commission china hangsanga National pingna hangphangà khale chingriai na hangphangkhawai mushun leya kala achumli yari gazibli ngakmirana gachila hangsanga Manipur tishot hili sagaz national pingli jakshimai kapta chatalei zingkum khani tangkhai tishot lungle raga haijina national pingwi phasa ning psychological emotional health li sajada raga haina gaje commission china hanga MHPCC na districts chinile Thai Athishuda survey gsale gzang national ping 30% severe mental health issues later follow up darga sasai displays now ping wing chaile national ngakhakathi ning sagaz wartamrin li shekhot kahai kala worshim wi aina shokahai maram hangjitheya national ping wi mangale kashap aina tangda ngarang khawai lathis tear gas maninga kha physical force semkhavai non violent crowd management measures khawai MCPCR na security personnel ngakaw haira national ping safe kasa apam wartamrin wuivang kacha hak kasang re kasang khamakharai apam le okthui khawai athumi shim hankhung maram thakda yangsang mi khawai MCPCR na concerned authority le kasathaira Rainforest Club Tamenglong na Divisional Forest Officer Tamenglong we ajingle Amur Falcon Run 2025 Mokhok Mihaira ang run ang yeji 6 Assam Rifles League ngashik da ngaran khamina Amur Falcon Run 2025 ji hongung hongwa kasa khalangyur Amur Falcons kapangkhuihaira kasa Tamenglong District le phaikar kukhui zingkum thara ka kasung majut ling sungda Mukhok khamina Songja khangkhui ngahan jile mi hangji shatta khani shinaw makada khani jangda sharukhiya athumna kilometers thara yongda yarina conservation movement le kakatom jithe haira mayor now wile pongringlong wi kaini thui malangmai na khare awi thili new chekon wi KH Wahid Phoklong wi Porimium B Pamai kala Wangjing wi Muhammad Gurbaj Khan janga Shunau wili lungning yamwi ketang wan le panmai na khare awi thili Tamenglong ward number 10 wi KC Kangkhan ngui liu duilon wi majun khan liu panmai kala tholun wi jen tholiu konmai athum janga khare kumwi thada achukumwi conservation efforts la mathalak aina chadalei da hanga Amur Falcons kuthumli satellite transmitter panmi da chadalei wanau kuthum chili aming apampang ahu kala alang da phokmiya wanau kuthum jina mangasam lakla Arabian Sea makanda shini thangwi alungle Africa washunga da hanga Tamenglong shong sada khlei chuwi manga aina wanau yurji ngakkhami hotkhanale Manipur hi global conservation map li changhaira da hanga wildlife conservation otmurut ko khuile majut mida Rainforest Club Tamenglong wanthok khame Dr. Jambo Konmaili 2025 with Curtains of Himalayas Award Mihaira 2025 Amur Falcon Run Chile Dr. Jambo Konmoy 6 Assam Rifles with Commandant Colonel Navjot Raikhi Lieutenant Colonel Anupam Promeshwar Angom Range Forest Officer Tamenglong Kala Civil Society Youth Groups with Miping Khujui Kathana Ping Wazanga Latluida Achiwi Khamataiya Paobing Ukhrul District Hakkasang Regasang Shongja Unlocking Ukhrul We Azingli Humpung Rshong Tang Shongfu shingling hapokhaira Manipur kapumpa wuivang budget ngatei semkhavai kapole president na ngahanka haira kan khana details semkhavai stakeholder psychorele kathong haira One Northeast Thansarele Akardalale Makhok Mida Northeastern States Kokasakavai Kasathaira Achu Pao Hiling Achanghaira Paongana Lay Notum Psycho Relating Gapa Kalakham Haya Zimisho Saserano